Hello friends, welcome to semester first. Myself Dr. Makaran Mohan Rao Aitode. I am working as assistant professor in Department of Botany at Sharat Chandra Pawar Mahavidyalaya, Lonar. Today's topic of our discussion is general characters of algae and classification of algae as per GM Smith up to classes. Students, before starting this lecture, let us know learning outcomes. After listening this lecture, you will be able to understand what is algae. Then you will be able to understand introduction about algae and their general characters. Then I will brief you regarding outline of GM Smith classification up to class level. Algae are primitive, simplest, non-vascular prokaryotic or eukaryotic, autotrophic and usually aquatic thalopites. The true root system, leaves and stems are absent in the algae. The term algae was first introduced by Linnaeus in the year 1753. The Linnaeus is known as father of taxonomy. The study of algae is called as algology or phycology. In Greek, phykos means alga. In Latin, algae means seaweed. There are about 1800 genera and 21,000 species of algae present in the world. In India, about 855 genera and about 7,310 species are present. Let us know some definitions of algae given by some phycologists. Frisch defined algae as holophytic organism that fail to reach the higher level of differentiation characteristic of archegonate plant. G.M. Smith defined algae as simple plants with an autotrophic mode of nutrition. Vijay Chapman defined algae as among the simplest in plant kingdom. The Prescott defined algae as those chlorophyll-bearing organisms which are thalloid. R.N. Singh defined that the algae are by and large simple plants which display a spectrum of photosynthetic pigments and evolve oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. Let us know some general characters of algae. Algae are chlorophyllous, autotrophic without thalloid plant body. Algae shows variation in thallus organization. They are unicellular to multicellular forms with diverse morphological characteristics. They mainly found in aquatic environment. They are either free floating or attached. They are found in both fresh water as well as marine water. Even they exist on soil, on a rock, as epiphyte or parasite on plants and animal in symbiotic association and in hot spring in desert ecosystem and also on snow fields. Their size ranges from few micron to several meters. Growth regulators control the growth of algae. They are also known as growth hormones. In general, the algal cell possesses cellulosic cell wall, but different algae shows different composition. For example, in Euglena, cytoplasmic membrane or pellicle is present. The motile structure in algae are provided with small hair-like protoplasmic extension called flagella. They may be equal or unequal. They are inserted apically or laterally. They may be tinsel or whiplash type. All the members of algae are with eukaryotic cell with distinct nuclear organization except the members of division Cyanophyta. The chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene and xanthophylls are important photosynthetic pigment, but different algae shows different composition of additional pigment also. For example, in rhodophysi, phycobilins are present with chlorophylls. In algae, main reserve food material is starch, but Pheophysi shows laminarian and mannitol as a reserve food material. Rhodophysi shows floridine starch. The Xanthophysi and Dinophysi shows fats and oil as a reserve food material, and in Mixophysi, Mixophysian starch and Cyanophysin is present as a reserve food material. In algae, vegetative, asexual and sexual reproduction takes place. The vegetative reproduction takes place by formation of tubers, harmogonia, budding, amylum, even by the process of fragmentation and fission, vegetative reproduction takes place. Asexual reproduction takes place by formation of akinetase, zoospore, aplanospores, attospores, oxospores, carpospores, tetraspores, and cyst. A sexual reproduction is a unique. A sexual reproduction is completely absent in one group, that is Cyanophyta. In other groups, gametes are formed in gametangia. There are three types of sexual reproduction. Number one, that is isogamy. In this type, both gametes are identical. You cannot differentiate whether which is male and which is female. In second type, that is anisogamy, gametes are morphologically dissimilar and they are motile. The third type is oogamy. In this type, both gametes are dissimilar. The female gamete is non-motile and larger in size, while male gamete is smaller in size and motile. Then they shows different types of life cycle. For example, haplontic, diplontic, heteromorphic, haplobiontic, diplobiontic, etc. Now we will discuss classification of algae proposed by G.M. Smith. Gilbert Morgan Smith was American botanist who had written four reference books on cryptogamic botany. He worked on genus Gunogodium. This is photograph I have taken from biographical memory written by Ira Wiggins and published by National Academy of Sciences, Washington. James Smith gave classification of algae based on two main characters. Number one, that is character of vegetative cell, and another is morphology of motile reproductive structure. On the basis of these two characters, he divided alga into 7 divisions, and each division further divided or it include one or more classes. Let us know about general outline about his classification. I will show you with the help of this diagram. Say the first division is division Chlorophyta, which include two classes, that is class Chlorophysi and class Charophysi. The second division, that is Euglenophyta, which include single class, that is Euglenophysi. The third division is Parophyta, which include two classes, Desmophysi and Dinophysi. The fourth division, that is Chrysophyta, which include three classes, Chrysophysi, Xanthophysi and Bacillariophysi. The fifth division, that is Pheophyta, which include three classes, Isogenerative, Heterogenerative and Cyclospory. The sixth division is known as Cyanophyta, which includes single class, that is Cyanophysi. The last division, that is division of Rhodophyta, which include single class, that is Rhodophysi. Among these 7 divisions, the division Chlorophyta are known as green algae. Then division Pheophyta are known as brown algae, whereas division Cyanophyta are known as blue-green algae and division Rhodophyta are known as red algae. So this is schematic presentation of outline of classification of algae provided by G.M. Smith. I hope with the help of this presentation you have understood what is algae, the important diagnostic characteristics of algae, then classification of algae provided by G.M. Smith. Thank you for listening me patiently. Thank you.